Hello everyone, my name is Brian and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna address the problem permutation. Do you have an input that is an object and then you must give out the possibles that you arrange. How many possible you can arrange it. For example, you have the string ABC. I have a three character and then you must give it a six possibles. And we have the permutation defined here. Okay, so like I have an input ABC here and the output might be like this one. Okay, now let's get started to address this problem. Okay, first we need to check this one. I use method join string. Okay, if not, if n not equal to length of string, would not do this condition. Okay, I will give it a loop for range in n. It will run from n to length of string. I have a new string. This string here, I will split it into a list. I use a comprehensive method for string in string, right? Okay, and next I will swap each element in this new string. Okay. Element in this new string by sequencing. By sequence, okay. I have a new string n and new string I equal to new string, because I will switch it, okay, together. I here and new string n. So now we use the method recursive, this function, okay. We will call it again until it go to 1, okay. We call this function again and again, again and again, okay. And when I want it go to stop step. Okay. That's it for our permutation, and now let's get to check it. Okay, I will give it a result here equal to, I convert it to string, or we don't need this also, it's okay. Okay, no, I don't need this one. I just call it here. Okay, and we bring it out. Okay, I think so. And you can see the result here. It's a B A C B C A C B A and C A B. Yes. Okay, I will clear that for you. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, the result is the same with this one. It's correct. Okay, we can put it here. Run it again. You can see it, the result here. Yes, that's it for our problem today. Thank you for watching.